In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your Silex website using FTP GitLab pages, zip, or your file system. First, open your project in the Silex editor. Launch the editor the way you normally do and let your site load in the workspace. Take a moment to confirm everything looks right on the canvas and in your pages list. Publishing will package exactly what you see here, so it's worth a quick glance. Next, look to the top right corner of the editor and click the Publish button. This opens the publishing panel where you'll choose how and where your site will go live. You're not publishing yet. This is just where you select the method that best fits your needs. Now choose your publishing destination. If you're sending the site directly to a server or a host, select FTP. You'll be prompted to enter your server details and credentials. Make sure you use the correct host, folder path, and protocol your provider recommends. If you're deploying to GitLab pages, connect your repository and pick the appropriate project and branch. Silex will prepare your static files so they work with GitLab's pages pipeline. Ensure you have write access to the repo before proceeding. If you'd rather not upload directly, choose zip. This option packages your entire website into a ready-to-upload file you can download. It's great if you want to review files locally or hand them off to someone else. When the zip is created, save it somewhere easy to find, then upload it later using your hosting provider's tools. You can also publish to your file system. This saves the exported site files to a folder on your computer. It's useful for local testing, manual deployment, or adding the files to another workflow. After selecting a destination folder, Silex will write the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and assets right there for you. Once you've selected your method and filled in any required details, click Publish again to start the process. You'll see Silex prepare and upload files or generate your zip, depending on what you chose. Give it a moment to complete. Larger sites may take a bit longer. When it finishes, you'll have your files ready locally, a zip you can download, or a deployment pushed to your server or repository. That's it. You opened the editor, clicked Publish, chose the best destination, provided the necessary connection or file details, and published. Follow these steps each time you update your site to keep everything in sync.